One thing that stood out to me was in a 2-inch hole for a 1-hour leak. The furnaces I came from, water panel, could fill a swimming pool up. But with a spray cool shell, you can fill up a 5-gallon bucket. That alone, just the safety aspect is worth it to me.
I think I've been to every seminar they had. We like to come here and network with other steel mills, see what we can learn from them, and see what's new in the spray cool world, see what systems is doing to fix some of the issues that other steel mills are getting.
Okay, one of the things why I bring a whole team, encourage the team to come to the maintenance seminar, is the networking of the other mills alongside with the other Nucor mills, but also the SDI, BRS. Built those relationships, and what I look to get out of it is to find a way to help someone, whether it be an easier way to fix something or a safety solution to where the team is safer in the middle of the night. I like spray cool because of the adaptability of the equipment. Not only is every mill different, but your own mill can change over time. And with those changes, you can change the spray cooled equipment to adapt, and with very little, trouble in doing that. It's very easy. If it doesn't work, you can always go right back to the way it was.